How to plot latitude and longitude for GED social studies maps. Have you ever wondered how to pinpoint a location on a map using latitude and longitude? This skill is essential for anyone studying geography, especially for the General Educational Development Social Studies test. Let's break it down step by step so you can confidently plot coordinates on maps. First, it is important to know that latitude and longitude are imaginary lines that help us find exact spots on Earth. Latitude lines run horizontally and tell us how for north or south a location is from the equator, which is 0 degrees latitude. Longitude lines run vertically and indicate how for east or west a place is from the prime meridian, which is 0 degrees longitude. When you plot a point on a map, always write the latitude first and then the longitude. For instance, if a location is at 42 degrees north and 71 degrees west, you would write it as 42 degrees north, 71 degrees west. To find this location on a map, start by locating the horizontal line that corresponds to the latitude. Next, find the vertical line that matches the longitude. The point where these two lines intersect is where you will mark the location. Latitude lines are often called parallels because they run parallel to the equator. Longitude lines are known as meridians because they stretch from the North Pole to the South Pole. Each degree of latitude or longitude can be divided into smaller units called minutes and seconds for more precise locations. However, for the general educational development level, using degrees is usually enough. Here's how to plot a location on a general educational development social studies map. 1. Identify the latitude line on the map that matches the latitude coordinate. 2. Identify the longitude line on the map that matches the longitude coordinate. 3. Find the point where these two lines intersect. For a marker, note that point as the location. Maps used in general educational development social studies often have a grid with latitude and longitude lines labeled in increments, typically every 10 or 15 degrees. Use these labels to help you find the correct lines. Remember, latitude values range from 0 degrees at the equator to 90 degrees at the poles, while longitude values range from 0 degrees at the prime meridian to 180 degrees east or west. Understanding how to plot latitude and longitude is key for determining the absolute location of places on maps. This skill is essential for answering geography questions on the General Educational Development test. Whether you are looking at physical maps, political maps, or other types, knowing how to plot these coordinates will help you interpret the information accurately. So, next time you see a map, remember these steps to plot latitude and longitude with ease. This knowledge will serve you well in your studies and beyond.